welcome or welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your camera repair shop business. If you run a camera repair shop, then manually handling all the bookings and sharing updates can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will automate this whole process on our behalf. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for camera repair shop. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message. So here I am going to send a general message like hello. And our chatbot responds us with, "Hi, welcome to Sharp Fix Camera Repairs. How can I help you today?" And it has provided us three options. I'm going to select the first one, repair appointment. And it responds us with, "Let's book your repair. Please reply with the following details, camera brand with issue." So here I'm going to send a response. And it responds us with, "Let's book your repair. Please reply with the following details," and it is asking for preferred date. So here I'm going to send my preferred date. Like this. And it responds us with, "We have received your details as camera brand and model Canon EOS 80D, issue lens not autofocusing properly and screen flickers occasionally. And there is our preferred date. We will confirm the booking and send you directions." So I'm going to select the second option that says repair status. And it responds me with, "You can track status of repair with the link given below." And it has provided us with the tracking link. Lastly, I'm going to select the option of contact support. And it responds us with, "Need help? A team member will get back to you soon." And here's a dummy email address and contact details. And this is how we have created our WhatsApp chatbot for camera repair shop. If you want to create the same, we have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard. And for that, we have to open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow. And it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on Sign In. However, if you are a new user, click on Sign Up for free. As I am already an existing user, I will click on Sign In. And it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on Access Now. And it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have Dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities, and stats. Next we have is Inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have Contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have Team Queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have Template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have Broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have Flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have Settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations, and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs, or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow from here. Click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get two options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as untitled. So here I'm going to rename it as WhatsApp Chatbot Flow for Camera Repair Shop. On the screen you can see there is a flow start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can add some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex. Regex is short term used for regular expression and it is a special pattern of characters which can activate the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format which is this. You can also enable toggle for case sensitive regex. Here we have an option to choose template, and when we click on it, we get a list of all the approved templates. We can choose any template to send to the user. Once we are done with the basic setup, we can start curating our first message with the help of text button. Here I'm going to add a welcome message like this. Here I'm going to add little star signs because it will make our text appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable. Our message will look like this to the user. Here with the help of add button, I'm going to add some quick reply options. You can add 3 option maximum. So here I'm going to add options. So here I've added all the quick reply options, and once we have created our first message, we have to curate a response for each of the quick reply options. Let's begin with repair appointment. And for that, I have to access the action type nodes and then I have to click on ask question to get a question box. Here I have added this message. Let's book your repair. Please reply with the following details. Camera planned with issue. So here in the contact custom fields, I'm going to select add, and as format, I'm going to select any. If you want to know how to create contact custom fields, you can check the link in the description box. Then I'm going to link this question box to the corresponding quick reply option. Next, I'm going to access another question box, and here I'm going to add. Here I've asked preferred date. In the contact custom fields, I'm going to select time, and as format, I'm going to select any, and then I'm going to link it to the question box. Then I'm going to create a confirmation message of the booking with the help of text button. Here I have added this message. It will look like this to the user. We have received your details as $add and $time. Add was our contact custom field, and $sign will make sure that it gets replaced by the actual details sent by the user. Similarly, time was our contact custom field, and $sign will make sure that it gets replaced by the actual date sent by the user. We will confirm the booking and send you the directions. Once we are done with our first response, we have to move on to the next one. That is repair status. So here I'm going to add text button, and here I'm going to enter. Here we have added this message, and it will look like this to the user. And lastly, we have to curate a response for contact support. So here I'm going to add text button again, and here I'm going to add all the contact details. Here I've added these details, and here our message will look like this. And this is how we have created our WhatsApp chatbot flow for camera repair shop. We have created this flow easily with the help of Pabbly Chatflow by accessing all of its features. Once you have created your flow, you have to save your flow from here. And once the flow is updated successfully, you are good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.